Crisis creates opportunities of this forgotten South Reclamation Project in 2009 to become the 2026 new Cebu City, the business game changer, now known as the South Road Properties, SRP, already proven successfully to be highly profitable by those who had built their businesses here. Ask for the details of SRP commercial lots and the 6 profitable businesses that can be constructed on these lots. Contact Douglas F. Pañares. Phone 63915-842-6920. Email dogpanares@gmail.com. Thank you and God bless.